Now, the family feud is now out in the open, and just after issuing a warning, the DMK takes action against Southern strongman MK Alagiri. Karunanidhi, in fact, has suspended his son Alagiri from the DMK.
Sandhya Ravishankar joining us on this story. Sandhya, just put things in perspective for our viewers nationally as to how much of it is going to affect the politics in Tamil Nadu and the impact building up to the Lok Sabha elections, because the DMK anyways is struggling in the state. They are trying to regain lost ground in Tamil Nadu, isn't it? They are up against the AIADMK, which swept the polls the last time around. And now this family feud coming out in the open. How seriously is it going to dent the DMK's chances?
Well, that's right, Anand. You are absolutely right that the AIADMK and Vijay Kant, the combined alliance, had swept the polls, the assembly polls in 2011. And the DMK is, as you rightly pointed out, struggling. Remember, there are a number of corruption allegations against the first family of the DMK itself. Now, as you can see, we're standing right outside Karunanidhi's residence. Inside, a number of senior leaders of the DMK are actually inside. They are having a meeting here. A statement was released just a little while ago that Karunanidhi's elder son and MP Alagiri has actually been temporarily suspended from the party. The reasons given in that press statement are that he has consistently criticized the party's actions. He has defended the supporters of his who had been expelled, or rather suspended, from the Madurai unit of the DMK itself. So he has criticized the party's action on that front. He has given interviews to various channels stating that the DMK should not ally with Vijay Kant's DMDK, which is a key political player in the state. And the DMK is in fact hoping to form an alliance to fight on one front in the Lok Sabha elections with Vijay Kant. And this could be the game changer that Karunanidhi is actually aiming at, that Vijay Kant will now come on board with the DMK and help them fight the might of the AIADMK in the state of Tamil Nadu. So this looks like a very politically calculated ploy by the DMK Supremo Karunanidhi in order to put polls and the party ahead of family so that they may gain more ground in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, Anand.
Sandhya, do stay on with us. We'll quickly listen into a reaction coming into the development as far as the DMK is concerned and come back to you.
It's a setback to DMK. Rajya Sabha election candidates have been announced. The reasons for suspension, time is more important. Today, why Karunanidhi Sahab has suspended him means Rajya Sabha elections, ADMK candidates have been announced. DMK candidate is also announced. Tiruchi Siva will automatically get elected. Therefore, it is a right signal from the party. Stalin has taken control of DMK. Apart from that, very important one is that Congress alliance with DMK is shut. Because Karunanidhi saw Congress is decimated, he expected that Congress would come to DMK. Since Congress is not coming, he suspended Alagiri. It is a signal to political leaders that DMK is no longer with Congress.